Hello IG Garage family. Is your car running rough, struggling with acceleration, or giving poor fuel economy? If you've got the P0111 trouble code, it means your intake air temperature sensor is giving incorrect readings, confusing the ECM about air temperature. Ignoring this issue can cause higher fuel consumption, sluggish performance, and even engine misfires. In this video, we'll cover what P0111 means, the exact location of the IAT sensor, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it easily. Let's get started. What does P0111 mean? The P0111 trouble code stands for Intake Air Temperature Sensor Circuit Performance Problem. This means the IAT sensor is providing inconsistent or incorrect temperature readings, which affects the air-fuel mixture calculation by the ECM. Symptoms of P0111 include the check engine light turning on, poor acceleration and rough idling, increased fuel consumption, hard starting in cold or hot weather, and misfires and power loss. Common causes of P0111 include several factors that can lead to incorrect temperature readings. First, a faulty IAT sensor. The sensor might be sending incorrect temperature readings. Second, loose or damaged wiring. Broken, corroded, or disconnected wiring can cause incorrect signals. A dirty or clogged sensor, a contaminated IAT sensor, can give inaccurate readings. A faulty ECM, though rare, the engine control module could be misinterpreting the data. Where is the IAT sensor located? The intake air temperature sensor is typically found on the intake manifold or near the air filter housing. The IAT sensor is typically located in the intake manifold or inside the air filter housing. In some vehicles, it's combined with the mass airflow or MAF sensor. Wiring harness location. The IAT sensor has two wires, one for signal voltage and one for ground. Check for loose, damaged, or corroded connections. Tip: use a multimeter to test the sensor's resistance. The resistance should change with temperature. If it doesn't, the sensor is faulty. First, inspect and clean the IAT sensor. Remove the sensor and clean it with MAF cleaner or electrical contact cleaner. Avoid touching the sensor element as it's delicate. Check wiring and connectors. Look for loose or corroded wires leading to the sensor. Fix any broken connectors or replace damaged wires. Test the sensor using a multimeter. With the engine cold, measure the resistance. It should be high. As the engine warms up, resistance should gradually decrease. If the values don't change, replace the sensor. Okay, so the next step is to reset the code and take the car for a test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to clear the P0111 code, then drive the car and check if the code returns. That's how you fix P0111 IAT sensor circuit performance issue. If your car is losing power, wasting fuel, or struggling to start, check your IAT sensor and wiring connections. For more expert car fixes, watch these videos next. P0140 oxygen sensor circuit no activity detected, Bank 1 sensor 2, and P0037 HO2S heater control circuit low, Bank 1 sensor 2. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car repair tips from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.